Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to keep Instagram Reels in archive. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing you can do is just go to your Instagram and start archiving your Reels. And to do so, we need just to go to the profiles and from here we will be just needing to archive our content. You can simply go to your profile grid, click on any post that you would like, click on the 3 points icon, and as you can see in the menu, we will be having the archive list or the archive option. Click on archive, we will have our post that will be archived. So let's just go to any reel here and we'll click, uh, let's go to the profile grid again. And basically from the profile grid, you search for any reel. We go here, we click on archive, and we wait for the process to finish. And now we have archived our post. Now to consult our archived post, all we need to do is just to go again to the horizontal line icon. We need just to go to archive. So as you can see here in the how you use Instagram section, we click on archive, and basically those are the archived stories archive. And basically we will need just to go to all our archives, and that's it. And basically, those were concerning the stories. Now you can just go to your activities, and basically, we go to archive, and here you will find all your stories, posts, and all. And then you can start removing the archive from them, and you can start uh, unarchive them again. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.